Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. In this class, we are going to discuss the mathematics part from Karnataka TET 2025 paper 2 question paper. So we will be discussing the answer keys in detail so that things will become easy for you to compare and calculate how many answers you have done correct in today's exam. Before that, subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed still, and we have Telegram channel and Telegram group. You will get the link in the description below this video. You can join us there also. And if you want to join our paid classes for TET, Hstr, Gpstr or CRIS, then you can contact us in WhatsApp to this number 911 055 8369. Only WhatsApp you should message. Phone calls are not allowed. Or you can write a mail to Atahar TET@gmail.com. You will get the email ID if you WhatsApp, or I will also put it in the description below this video. Okay, so let us start solving the question paper. So the first question of Karnataka TET 2025 question paper. Question number 91. 35% of a number is 28. Then the number is. So 35% means by 100. Whatever that number is, let it be x. This is equal to 28. So with this, what will be your answer for x? It will be 28 into 100 by 35. So if you calculate, you are going to get 80. Option 4 will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 92. The true statement among these given statements is root x plus 3 is a polynomial. No. 2 is a constant polynomial. Yes, option 2 will be the correct answer here. Rest all options will be obviously wrong because they are asking only one true statement. Okay. Next, question number 93. In the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. OE is the angular bisector of angle DOB. Angle AOD is 80 degree. Then measure of angle DOE is. You should find out this angle. Here they are telling that AB and CD intersect at O. Angle AOD is 80 degree. OE is bisecting angle DOB. So what will be angle AOD plus angle DOB? It should be equal to 180 degree, right? So with this I can find out angle DOB because AOD is 80 degree, right? So that is going to be 100 degree. Now OE is bisecting angle DOB. Bisecting means it should be half of 100 degree, right? So this should be 50 degree. Option 3 should be the correct answer here. Next, question number 94. The three angles of a quadrilateral are 98 degree, 62 degree, 84 degree. The fourth angle is. So this should be equal to 360 degree, right? Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. Now if you see the options, they have not given any angle. They have given options like acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. Now with this, your x is going to be 116 degree. Now this 116 degree is greater than 90 degree and it is less than 180 degree, right? So if the angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, we call it as an obtuse angle. So option 2 will be the correct answer here. Okay. Now see question number 95. They have given minus 4 to the m plus 3 into minus 4 to the m plus 1. This is equal to minus 4 to the 6. We should find out the value of m. So here bases are same. You can add exponents, right? So minus 4 to the m plus 3 plus m plus 1. In the right hand side, you have minus 4 to the 6. Now you can equate only the powers, right? So you will have 2m plus 4 is equal to 6. With this, you will get m is equal to 6 minus 4 by 2, right? So this one will be equal to 1. So option 1 should be the correct answer here. Question number 96. The area of a circle is 49 pi square units. Then the area of its quadrant is. So here they are telling that area of a circle is 49 pi square units. So what will be the area of the quadrant? This will be equal to 1 by 4 times that full circle, right? So here we have circle area. They have given it already. It is 49 pi. So our answer should be 49 by 4 pi. So easy questions, right? Option 1 will be the correct answer here. Okay. Next, question number 97. The average of the group of the numbers 1, 4, 10, P and 16. Its average is 9. That means you should do divided by 5 because 5 readings are there. With this you can find out your P value, right? So P, if you calculate, you are going to get 14. Option 2 will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 98. The product of two numbers is minus 28 by 27. If one of the number is minus 4 by 9, then the other number is. So let that number be x. So as per the question, they are telling that one number minus 4 by 9. You have to multiply this with the number x. So this is equal to minus 28 by 7. This is the story of the question. With this we can get x is equal to 28 by 27 into 9 by 4, right? So this is going to give us 7 by 3. Option 1 will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 99. The volume of a cone when its base area is 49 pi centimeter square and height is 12 centimeter is. So what is volume of the cone? It is 1 by 3 into base area into height, right? So this is going to be equal to 1 by 3 into 49 pi into 12. So if you do calculations, you are going to get 196 pi centimeter cube. Option 4 will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 100. The three numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3 and the sum of their squares is equal to 896. So numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3. That means the numbers will be k, 2k and 3k. Now if the squares, if you do, their squares are sum is equal to 896. So this will give you k square plus 4k square plus 9k square is equal to 896. Right? So if you calculate here, you will get that after simplification k is equal to 8. But then what will be the second number? It will be 2k, right? So 16. What will be the third number? 3k, right? So it will be 24. So if you see the options 8, 16, 24. Option 1 will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 101. The distance between origin and a point minus a comma a is. You should apply the distance formula. The point is minus a comma a, square root of minus a whole square plus a square. So this will be square root of a square plus a square or square root of 2a square or a root 2. So a root 2 unit is in option 4. That will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 102. The sum of the square of two consecutive multiples of 7 is 637. The numbers are. So two consecutive multiples means they will be 7n and 7n plus 1. Actually, we are glad that all questions which have come in science and all questions which have come in maths are all from our classes only. Though the numbers are not exact, but pattern, maximum of the questions we have explained in our classes. So we are glad that you have got this question paper which was directly related to our classes. So I must say that you all are very lucky, and I am thankful that all the paid class aspirants are very happy from our courses, because our course has directly helped them 100% in the exam. So all are very happy and they are thanking us. We wanted to share you this good news because many aspirants have depended on us. Not only paid class aspirants, even aspirants who are watching our free classes in YouTube, all are dependent on us, and we are glad that we could help you to maximum this time. Okay, so coming back to this question number 102, the sum of the square of two consecutive multiples of this 7 and 7n and 7 into n plus 1 will be 637, right? So you have to do square, right? 7n whole square plus 7 into n plus 1 whole square. So this is going to be 637. You need to calculate. If you calculate by doing simplification, you will get n is equal to 2. So once you have n is equal to 2, your first number will become 14 and second number will become 21. Correct, right? So option 2 will be the correct answer here. Next, it's a probability question. A box contains 40 electric bulbs, out of which 20% of bulbs are defective. So out of 40, 20% are defective. So the probability of getting a good bulb is, so for 100 it is 20, means for 40 it will be how much? 40 into 20 by 100. So 8 are defective. So what will be amount of good than good ones? It will be 40 minus 8, which is 32. Now to find the probability of good ones, you should do number of outcomes by, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Favorable is 32, total will be 40. So this will give us 4 by 5. Option 1 will be the correct answer here. Question number 104. So the question is, the value of x when 8 is to x is equal to 17.6 is to 72.6. You should find out x value here. So our 8 by x is equal to 17.6 by 72.6. So your x is going to be equal to 8 into 72.6 by 17.6. If you remove the decimal points, it will become like this, right? So now you can cancel with 2. 2 8s are 2 8s are, 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So you have 8 into 363 by 88. So you have 8 1s are 8 11s are, 11 1s are 11 33s are. So option 3 should be the correct answer here. Okay. Next, question number 105. If triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB is 3 cm, BC is 2 cm and CA is 2.5 cm. Given triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC and EF is 4 cm. You have to find the perimeter. They are given this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 2.5. So you can put the proportionality thing here. So you will get AB by DE equals BC by EF. This in turn will be equal to AC by DF. Put the possible values from the question. Then you can find out the sides DE now. So DE will be equal to 6 cm and DF will be equal to 5 cm. So they want you to find out the perimeter, right? So 6 plus 5 plus 4. So this should give you 15 cm. Option 2 should be the correct answer here. Okay. Next, question number 106. The difference between cube of a number and its square is 100. Then the number is. So let that number be n. So n cube minus n square is 100. With this you will get n square into n minus 1 is equal to 100, right? So here you can see the options. If you see the options, Which option will fit here to get 100? See, put option 1. 5 square into 5 minus 1 will give you 25 into 4. Yes, option 1 will be the correct answer here. Okay. Next, question number 107. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Okay. The ratio of their volumes is, see, we know that volume of the sphere will be directly proportional to cube of the diameter, right? Actually radius, but it's okay, I can take diameter also, right? So now I have volume of moon by volume of earth is equal to 1/4 times whole cube. So this will give me 1/64. So 1 is to 64. Option 1 should be the correct answer here. Next, question number 108. The value of x square plus 1/x square when x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 is. So this is a very common question we have solved in many classes. So x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So to make it simple, what I will do now, I will take 1/x so that I can do rationalization. Plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So here in the numerator I will have 3 minus 2 root 2. In the denominator I will get 1. I will apply a plus b into a minus b whole square. So with this I get x and 1/x value, right? So I will take x plus 1/x. So this one now will be equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. So this will give me 6. Now what I will do? I will do squaring. So if I square, I'll get x plus 1/x whole square is equal to 1/x square plus x square plus 2, right? So this thing is 6. 1/x square plus x square I should find out. This 2 I'll put it in the left hand side, right? So minus 2 will be there now. So 36 minus 2 will be 34. Correct answer is option 4. You understood, right? See here, x square plus 1/x square will become 36 minus 2. So option 4 will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 109. The least number which when divided by 8, 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves 3 as a remainder. So if that number is n, and if it is leaving 3 as remainder, then n minus 3 is divisible by all those numbers given in the question, right? 8, 12, 16, 24, 36. If you go on to LCM, you will get LCM is equal to 144. So this n minus 3 will be equal to that LCM. So your n will be equal to 147. These are the short tricks we have told you in so many classes also. Alright. Next, question number 110. Okay, this is option 4, right? And yes, next, question number 110. The length and breadth of a rectangular garden are expressed in terms of linear polynomials of a same variable. Then its area is. See, without any example only you can say that it is a quadratic polynomial. When you multiply two linear polynomials, you should get quadratic polynomial. That is the logically correct answer, right? But still, if you want example, you can take length as some ax plus b, which is a linear polynomial, and breadth as some cx plus d, which is a linear polynomial. Then multiply those two, because length into breadth will give you the area, right? So that is the question. So you will get a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Next, question number 111. Side of a square is increased by 10% of it. Then percentage increase in its area is. So maybe old side, take it, assume it as 100 units maybe. And the new side then should become 110, because they are telling 10% increased, right? Now if you divide these two, you will get 110 by 100 is equal to 11 by 10. Now there is one formula, percentage increase is equal to increase in area by original area into 100. Now let's talk about old area. So old area will be equal to 100 square, right? So you will have 4 zeros. Then new area will be equal to 110 square, right? So 121 followed by 2 zeros, right? So what will be the increase in area? If you subtract, you will get 2100, correct, right? Now you use this formula. So this is equal to increase in area is 2100, original is this one, into 100. So this will give you 21%. So option 1 should be the correct answer here. Next, question number 112. The value of square root of 300 plus square root of 200. So this one will be equal to 100 into 3, right? Plus this one will be equal to 100 into 2. So 10 root 3 plus 10 root 2. Put root 3 as 1.73 and root 2 as 1.41. You should get 31.4. Option 2 should be the correct answer here. Okay, simple addition and multiplication they are testing here. Next, question number 113. Number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. So you have 7:5 means 7k and 5k, right? So boys are 8 more than the number of girls. So you have 7k is equal to 5k plus 8. With this you get k is equal to 4, right? You should find out total class strength. So for boys you have 7k, that will become 28. For girls you have 5k, that will become 20. If you add, you will get 48. So total class strength is 48. Option 3. Okay, clear, right? Next, question number 114. The age of a man is 38 years more than the age of his son. The sum of their ages is 82 years. The age of the father is. So let son's age be x. So father's age will be x plus 38, right? And their sum is, they are telling how much? 82. So this will give x is equal to 82 minus 38, 44 by 2. It will become 22. So what will be father's age now? It will be 22 plus 38. So that should give us 60 years. So option 1 should be the correct answer. Next, question number 115. In a mixture, substances A, B and C are in the ratio 8:5:7. Then percentage of C is. So here they are giving ratio, right? A is to B is to C is equal to 8:5:7. So total parts will become 8 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 20. They are asking fraction of C. So 7 by 20. They are telling percentage actually. So into 100. So that should give 2 ones are 2 fives are 35%. So option 4 should be the correct answer here. Next, now pedagogy questions. Assimilation is to fitting new information. Then accommodation is to. So accommodation should be modifying existing schemas. Right? Accommodation means it is something positive, right? So option 2 should be the correct answer. Blueprint is achievement test. Then what is for performance? For performance it is rubrics. Next, aim of teaching mathematics is to broad and comprehensive. Objective of teaching mathematics is it is straight and specific. Rest all are negative things, right? Always remember that as per the question your answer is most probably the positive one. Next, The student observes that 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 16, then concludes that the sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. The process of arriving general rule is, actually it should be forming a conjecture. Next, question number 120. For a child with visual impairment, which of the following is the most appropriate adaptation for assessing the understanding of geometrical shapes? If you read the options carefully, an oral expression where the child describes and identifies shape tactically. So this option 2 should be the correct answer here. Okay friends, we have tried our best to not only give you just key answers directly, we have explained also, because we don't like giving key answers with the numbers and options directly, especially for mathematics, because we are here to clear your doubts, right? So that's why we have tried our best. As soon as possible we have done this. If you like this video, please share it with the other aspirants, and even not only TET aspirants, share it with the other teacher recruitment exam aspirants, and also subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. All the best. Bye.